not look good. I know, complicated. So this is my second round finish, and so this is a very beautiful temple on the mountain of the Danang. And downside now is completely here. So now I just finished my sitting place. I not go there because a lots of people go on the way. 1 or 2 people come to me also. So that I sit here small, and I'm feeling small rain. So here now I think I need to wear something. I just go to the. I can't believe it. This mountain. I go. Oh my God. First 5 minutes inside the body. It's little bit cold here, but when you go in, I can't explain this time what happened to me. My Chetna coming like this, spread, and I can feel this. Not much, cannot feel too much, but yes, can feel like my Chetna going out. The energy from here pushing. Okay, now it's raining. I think I need to go top of that. I do meditation there. I pay around 1,03,000 rupees. So I need to do. So Chetna coming from the inside, the energy from the spinal cord, here, Vishuddhi chakra, Agya chakra, and third eyes, and Sahasrara chakra. Blowing inside. Blue, like this. My body not in the control. It's completely. It's locked, and I think around 1 hour 15 minutes I still not move. The music of the hair is very good, so I'm little bit feeling very positive having the music. And in this time the energy of the meditation make me fall down. It's like I'm tired. So whenever I tired, I don't have energy, my body go down, then again take a breath, and then again go to the up, and here, then again, then something happened. It's like something new. So this time one experience of my life, what happened here. In my life, whenever I go to I used to sleep on the noon time, okay? Because I used to use my brain a lot in my work and this and tired. If I not sleep, so inside of my brain, I remember that place here, okay? Inside. Have small like this, okay? When I go into the deep dhyana, I felt there is now, it's make me feel, it's like from my spinal cord the energy is coming, the water come, whatever the liquid come, I can feel that it's moving, and that only the flowing the energy. Okay, let's we talk later. First 5 or 7 minutes I start becoming hot from here, feeling hot. So when you feel hot, I don't know what happening. It's like some fire going here. No, into the body is fire. No, hot, cool, hot. And here, how I sit in the meditation in my back. Here, in my back. Zoom. zoom. Oh, I say, wow, this is now is going something different. Okay, so let it leave this. I do I I think that I was forgot, so I just keep continue repeating again the last moment. So that place when I always tired, I feel pain there inside. And I was thinking always. Sometime I asked to my ma'am also that if I not feel sleep, so I have something wrong there in my mind inside. So I I feel first I go into that moment when I feel like this. Okay, I feel pain and I go to that moment. I completely 100% on that moment. Like I was in the city and I have a pain like this. I'm not sleeping. In there, I was sit on position, and from the spinal cord they come like water, like this, water, and feeling, 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 feeling. It's become. It's like it's feel. Now I feel. I can feel now that moment that is healing now, because it's filled with my, I don't know, it's energy liquid whatever. So it's wow. So I understand when you go to the meditation how you heal yourself. Okay. Not only this, something mesh things also. I forgot my things about the yesterday or something like that. All my brain completely on the top like this. So yes, obviously physically I feel a little bit big. So isn't matter. So evening let's check. So 2 o'clock after 5 minutes I will go to sit again. But I think now I will wear some clothes because I feel cold and so raining also. Some I think it's going to rain. Some tip water come. I don't want my dhyan will be disturbed. So I will wear more clothes and to sit in the dhyan. The air is very peaceful. You know why? Because nobody will disturb you. Even ant also. Even no ant here, and people, one or two people come here to see me like this. I can feel the step. I can feel some people coming here around or something like that. But they come and they go because they are foreigner. They know it's somebody doing the meditation. So it mustn't disturb. So that's a good moment. The first second dhyan finished around 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour 55 minutes. Yes. No, sorry. 1 hour 25 minutes. Around 85 minutes. So I finished my dhyan. The very beautiful. I'm no worry now about my things, Brahmaran and this. But I felt that there's something happening into my body which is making me completely heal. So that's you need, okay? When your body completely heal, so you are ready, your body ready to take a step, next step, okay? And I saw you can't force your body, okay? Because it's cosmic energy helping you now. Your body and your body completely now not control on you. You control only your breathing. By your breathing, your chakras, Anahat, Sahasrar, Agya and Vishuddhi. So these three are moving like this. You breathe like this. So in the between, when you get the layer, okay? So I like this layer, right? Here to here. So like this, like this, like this, like this. So maybe 10 to 15 breath is take like this, like this, like this. So your Chetna is, and is make you tired like, oh my god, now I cannot sit anymore, and you can't sit, and then your body go down, you can't have a, no, I'm tired. So then is an amazing moment. Then when you pull your, no, you don't need to do anything. You just relax your body, and your body will wake up itself. The energy from the backside spinal cord, and then is pull you up like this, like this, like this, like this, and you come to the top like this, and here soup, and it's go to completely up. So it's very amazing experience after 3 or 4 times. When you tired, no energy or anything, just you leave your body, and just the energy will make you like this, and you go completely. And when you go up, so there's something start happening from the inside of the spinal cord, because when it start, because you gain again the energy. So again, and getting the energy, lost the energy, getting the energy, lost the energy, something happening inside your mind. So the mind will come here, sometimes go inside, heal somewhere problem in the body. And you know what thing, I not feel pain here, and I feel quite recover my legs also. So I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so let's get ready next round. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, so there are some foreigner also. Okay, leave it, we don't care.